Every luxury handbag begins with the selection of the finest leather available. Premium, full-grain calfskin. Full-grain leather retains the complete natural surface of the hide, developing a rich patina with use that makes each bag increasingly beautiful over time. Exotic leathers serve the ultra-luxury market, where a single skin can cost thousands before any crafting begins.
The Materials Vault represents an extraordinary concentration of the world's finest craft materials.
The monogram canvas combines durability with instant brand recognition.
Interior lining provides both luxury feel and protection for the bag's contents.
Waxed linen thread provides the combination of strength and aesthetic that defines luxury hand stitching.
The cutting department is where master craftsmen navigate the natural irregularities of each hide to extract the pattern pieces with minimal waste. Cutting luxury leather requires decades of experience because each hide is unique and each bag deserves only the finest sections of the skin. A luxury structured handbag can contain over 60 individual cut and prepared components.
Edge finishing is one of the most visible quality indicators of a luxury bag. Monogram alignment must be perfectly positioned so the pattern reads correctly on every panel of the finished bag. Every piece prepared for the artisan assembly process.
Exotic skin cutting requires the highest skill level due to the extreme cost of the material. Internal reinforcement provides the structural integrity that maintains the bag's silhouette throughout years of use.
Every piece of hardware represents both function and brand identity. The assembly atelier is where individual leather components are transformed into finished luxury goods through hours of skilled hand craftsmanship. The saddle stitch uses two needles passing through the frame hole from opposite directions, creating a stitch so strong that if one structural assembly creates the rigid internal architecture that gives the bag its iconic shape.
Gusset construction defines the bag's capacity and proportional elegance. The flap is the most visually prominent element and must be flawlessly constructed.
Interior construction must be completed before the outer assembly encloses the interior space.
Strap attachment must withstand the weight of the bag's contents throughout years of daily use.
Closure holding force must be strong enough to keep the bag closed, but easy enough for single-hand operation.
The artisan takes personal responsibility for every stitch and every detail of their creation.
Exotic materials require extraordinary handling care.
The transformation from flat leather pieces to structured luxury is remarkable. Finishing transforms a well-constructed bag into a retail-ready luxury product. Logo stamping must achieve exact temperature, pressure, and duration for a perfectly crisp impression. Every bag is uniquely identified and traceable to the artisan who created it.
Date codes enable authentication and provide the bag's birth certificate. Final inspection is performed by the most experienced artisans who evaluate the bag against the brand's highest standards. Interior quality receives the same rigorous examination as the exterior.
The Dustbag provides long-term storage protection.
The unboxing experience is a designed luxury moment.
Documentation validates authenticity and provides care guidance. The vault holds extraordinary value in finished luxury goods. International distribution to flagship stores worldwide.
Direct-to-consumer luxury delivery.
Anti-counterfeit technology protects brand integrity.
Bespoke services for the most exclusive clients.
From everyday classics to exotic limited editions. The luxury unboxing experience.
Premium leather scraps create accessories. Environmental responsibility in luxury. Protected transport for precious cargo.
Lab verifies everything from leather quality to hardware endurance.
Strap attachments tested to many times normal carrying weight.
Color must survive years of handling without transfer or fading. Surface durability testing simulates years of daily contact. Light resistance ensures colors survive sun exposure.
The Training Academy preserves centuries of craft knowledge.
The next generation of luxury craft.
The atelier director oversees the work of dozens of master artisans, ensuring every bag meets the house's standard of perfection.
This interlocking seam technique is highly unusual for the period.
The tension is remarkably consistent. We must document the thread count immediately.
Thread preparation is a ritual. The linen is waxed by hand to ensure smooth passage and long-term durability.
Complete production overview.
The edge painting craft takes years to master, because inconsistency is immediately visible on the finished product.
Every completed bag is discussed, and any observations shared across the team. Design innovation respects the heritage while exploring new forms.
The leather buyer's selections determine the fundamental quality of every bag produced. The prototype bridges design concept and artisan reality. Heritage preservation maintains the connection between past excellence and current production.
When darkness falls, the most dedicated artisans continue their meticulous craft. The finest work often demands uninterrupted concentration beyond normal hours. Luxury gleaming in the quiet of evening.
Inside these workshops, patience and skill create objects of desire. Workshop cleanliness protects precious materials. Luxury objects awaiting their owners.
The complete transformation from animal skin to coveted luxury object.
Every bag treated with reverence.
Gold hardware greeting the sunrise. This house creates objects that transcend fashion to become treasured possessions.
The factory's purpose, creating objects so beautifully made that they become emotional possessions far beyond their functional purpose.
Iconic bag designs transcend generations and become family heirlooms. The tactile quality of premium leather creates an emotional bond between owner and object.
Nature's material transformed into humanity's most coveted accessories.
A house of craft and heritage.
The ancient technique continued into another day.
Every station occupied, every artisan focused.
Celebrity endorsement amplifies the desirability of luxury accessories.
From classic structured bags to soft casual designs.
The complete journey from raw leather to luxury icon.
The monogram is one of the most recognized symbols in global luxury.
Repair services extend the life of luxury bags across decades and even generations.
Premium leather scraps become wallets, card cases, and key rings.
Personalization creates one-of-a-kind pieces for the most discerning clients.
Skilled hands arriving for another day of luxury creation.
The complete expression of leather craft excellence.
Museum exhibitions celebrate these bags as objects of cultural significance.
The archive is the house's memory of design excellence.
The tensile strength seems promising, but look at the elasticity here.
The data confirms a slight weakness, and we should run another automated stress test.
Bins. Luxury bags become emotional family treasures passed between generations.
The careful extraction of beauty from nature's canvas. The daily rhythm of luxury craft.
Every stitch verified, every edge painted, every stamp perfect.
Sunset on a workshop of patient excellence.
Easy. One bag. Premium calfskin, waxed linen thread, solid brass hardware. Months of skilled handcraft. The luxury handset. Leather, thread, and craft. Behind it, hands that have spent lifetimes perfecting a tradition.